You're looking at the highest quality tunnel system in the industry, MacNeil, built to stand the test of grime. With the highest grade components and engineered to last, MacNeil consistently outperforms the competition, giving your customers amazing wash results every time. See for yourself what makes the MacNeil tunnel system so amazing. The reliable XR1000 conveyor is built tough and easy to maintain. The Wheel Boss all-in-one cleaning system gets in deep to scrub rims and tires. Magnum side blasters get tough to reach areas. RS1000 top brush saves space and outperforms mitters. RS301 high side washer with Enviro soft foam permits higher rotational speeds for better, safer cleaning. Customizable arches and manifolds disperse precise chemical application. RS701 wraparound brush cleans consistently at high line speeds. Magnum high pressure arch blast spray exactly where needed for superior cleaning and rinsing. Sonic rocker panel and wheel rim brushes effectively clean hard to reach spots. Gloss Boss with patented precision chemical application system produces the shiniest tires with the lowest waste. The Tech 21 drying system provides you with complete control for the best drying quality.